प्रार्थना के लिए हाथ जोड़ सकते हैं।
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं रानतोऽस्मि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
And welcome to Wednesday. Let's all stand up. We are going to focus on our upper body today. But today we will practice something amazing which is called as body tapping. तो जब हम टैप करते हैं अपने बॉडी को तो हम लोग का जो लिम्फेटिक ड्रेन है वो एक्टिवेट होता है। सो जैसे हमारे बॉडी में ब्लड सर्कुलेशन होता है फॉर न्यूट्रिएंट्स ताकि हमारे सेल को न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिल सके, वैसे ही हमारे बॉडी में एक लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम होता है जो सारे सेल से गंदगी निकाल के बाहर पुश करता है। सो व्हेन यू डू बॉडी टैपिंग देयर आर मल्टीपल बेनिफिट्स ऑफ इट। वन इज योर इम्यूनिटी बिकम्स बेटर, सेकेंड इज your lymphatic drain becomes better, which is actually the immunity. Another thing is it also helps you release the emotions from the body. Lot of times your physical body gets impacted because of some stored emotions. कभी बुरा लगा, कुछ लगा, अंदर दबा लिया, तो उसकी वजह से शरीर में कहीं ना कहीं कुछ impact आता है. So with body tapping, that also gets released. So it's a wonderful thing to do. Plus it's a great workout as well. So let's all stand up, continue to walk. So you have two options. You can do body tapping sitting or you can do body tapping standing as well. पर पहले 1 मिनट का वॉक, थोड़ा सा तेज वॉक करेंगे हाथों के मूवमेंट के साथ। चेहरे पे बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट। Okay, now for body tapping, you can also do this is called a body pump by the way. इसको आपको ऐसे घुटने से थोड़ा थोड़ा मोड़कर ऐसे बॉडी पंप करना है and you start to tap. Now what do you mean by tap? This is called a tap. मतलब आपको अपने बॉडी को थोड़ा सा टैप करना है and you have to tap with such an intensity that under the skin you feel some tingling sensation. करके देखो ऐसे, हाथ पे ऐसे मारो थोड़ा सा, तो वो आपको थोड़ा सा स्किन के नीचे वाले लेयर पे हल्का फील होना चाहिए, ठीक है? सो वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्टमक. दिस इज आवर मेन एरिया ऑफ लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम. सो वी स्टार्ट विथ हिटिंग द स्टमक लाइक दिस. और अगर घुटने में तकलीफ है तो नॉर्मल 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 9 10 last 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, palms facing up. Start from your shoulder and slowly move towards the hand. But you will have an eye of the elbow. तो ये जो रीजन है इसको eye of the elbow कहते हैं. आपको हाथ को अब कप करना है. पहले हम ऐसे टैप कर रहे थे, अब हम ऐसे करेंगे यहां पे. Very good for the heart. Come on, create some air pressure and then do it 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. अगर आप अच्छे से करोगे तो ये थोड़ा थोड़ा रेड दिख रहा है आपको, राइट? इतना अच्छे से आपको हिट करना है कि रेड हो जाए. एंड देन गो फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स द पाम and clap 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Palm facing down. Clap. उल्टा हाथ के पिछली साइड पे आपको हिट करना है. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go back to the shoulder. Keep going back all the way to the shoulder. Thumb pointing up. Go forward again. And the lower side. तो पूरा चारों डायरेक्शन आपके कवर हो जाने चाहिए. And armpit. Again, a bigger lymph node. So you hit with a cup of the hand. तो जब मैं बोलूं कप, मतलब वैसे आप फ्लैट हिट करोगे. जब मैं बोलूं कप तो आपको ऐसे हिट करना है, ऐसे. तो it's not a flat, it's cup. For the armpit, you need to make a cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rib cage, flat hand. And the stomach again. थोड़ा फनी है, बट बहुत ही असरदार, इतना सही, इतना बढ़िया. आप खुद से भी कर सकते हो इसको. Whenever you feel like, you can do it on your own. And palm. Come on, the other side. Start from the shoulder. When you come to the eye of the elbow, you make a cup. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. And go towards the palm. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Palm facing down. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. Go back. Go back to the shoulders. All the way back to the shoulder. Thumb pointing up. Go forward again. And the lower side. Cup of the hand. Cup. Cup बना लो ऐसे, cup, cup. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. And the rib cage. Stomach again. And make a fist of your hand. हाथों की fist बना के glutes. बड़ा fat storage, more emotions. So ऐसे बहुत बार हो जाता है that emotions are stored in the glutes. So थोड़ा जोर से मारना पड़ेगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Now, if you want to, you can sit down or you can keep standing. We start with the hamstrings. Come on. Hamstrings. आपको झुकते चले जाना है. Keep hitting calf muscles. All the way down, front of your foot. Shin area, calf muscle के सामने का region. Front of your thigh. जोर से, bigger muscles, you need to apply a little more pressure. Outside. पूरा नीचे तक जाओ. Inside. Inside. Keep hitting. Inner thigh. And again you go back. नीचे तक. जोर से, जोर से. You should feel it under the skin. Calf muscle. Front of your thigh, front of your foot. Front of your calf muscle. And the front of your thighs. Outside. Go all the way down. Inside. पूरा अंदर की ओर अच्छे से. Inner thighs. And relax. Sit down. आराम से बैठ जाओ. You can keep sitting on the chair or you can sit down on the floor as well. Now what we do is, ये जो कॉलर बोन क्लैविकल रीजन बोलते हैं, यहाँ पे एक गड्ढा होता है. वो गड्ढे में आपको अपनी उंगलियों को प्रेस करना है. Come on, press it 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With your tip of the fingers, start tapping your neck region. Tap, 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 tap. Then jawline. यहां पे आप टैप करोगे तो लॉट ऑफ अनस्पोकन वर्ड्स. जब गुस्सा होता है तो ऐसे कहते हैं ना, तो यहां पे पूरा टेंशन जमा हो जाता है. Unknowingly, you hold on stress in the jaw region a lot. So tapping really helps. And you might feel good also. ऐसे लगेगा कि कुछ तो रिलीज हो रहा है. And then the chin area, cheekbone, keep tapping. It can be so much stress relieving that you might want to keep your eyes closed. Come to the temple region, front forehead, आंखों के नीचे थोड़ा थोड़ा धीरे धीरे करेंगे. लिप्स के ऊपर, ऑन द नोज, ईयर्स, पुल योर ईयर्स. कान खींचो. कान खींचने से ब्रेन बहुत अच्छा होता है. सो दिस रीजन इज फॉर योर ब्रेन. सो इफ यू पुल दैट, कल हमने सुपर ब्रेन योगा भी किया ही था. पुल इट, पुल इट. आउटसाइड, गोल गोल घुमाओ. Pull it up. And ये रीजन कान से ऊपर जाना है ऐसे, और यहां पे टैप करना है. धीरे धीरे टैप करो. This helps you to increase your awareness, helps you with better function of your entire endocrine system. आपके बॉडी में बहुत सारे हॉर्मोन्स होते हैं. उसका राजा यहां पर बैठता है. पिट्यूटरी, pineal glands, and tap at the backside. Keep tapping. Relax. The next one that we do is called an ulta namaste. करना क्या है, पहले दोनों हाथ सीधे करो, ऐसे नमस्ते करो. और आपको हाथों का कांटेक्ट, टच ऐसे मेंटेन रहना चाहिए. ये ऐसे दूर नहीं जाएगा. ये मेंटेन करते हुए इसे उल्टा कर लो. छोटी उंगलियां टच करे. कम ऑन, कंटिन्यू. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. सेम ऊपर करना है ऐसे. हाथ ऊपर करो, उल्टा नमस्ते. मेरा हाथ दिख नहीं रहा होगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is extremely good if you have a hunched back. Posture ठीक नहीं है, उसके लिए ये सिंपल सा एक्सरसाइज बहुत हेल्पफुल है. कभी भी कर सकते हैं बैठे बैठे. जिनको स्पेशली गर्दन में दर्द रहता है वो लोग को ये रोज प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए, अगर आप कर सकते हो कंफर्टेबली तो. 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring it down. अगर दर्द हुआ तो थोड़ा सा ऐसे मसाज कर लो. This exactly hits those muscles which gets lot of stiffness or tension because of your hunched posture or you looking down in the mobile phone. उसके लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सरसाइज है. तो आप again you can do it anytime, anywhere, whenever you have some free time, just do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Relax. I hope आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा पता चल रहा होगा. Now the next one is again activation of upper back a little bit more. Stretch your hands forward. Pull your elbows back as much as possible. Pull your elbows back and then you go up, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Let go. Now push your hands out. Make a tight fist and pull your elbows back. पीछे की ओर. Out, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Let go. Relax. आज अपर बैक में बड़ा अच्छे से सारे मसल्स पता चलेंगे. द नेक्स्ट वन, कीप योर हैंड्स अप, एल्बोज लॉक्ड, थम्स आउट एंड पुश योर थम्स बैक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. कंधों को ऊपर नहीं उठाएंगे, ठीक है, कंधों को नीचे रखेंगे. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and let go. Relax. एक आखिरी stretch, again very effective for releasing the tension in the neck. Stretch your hands out, pull your fingers in. हाथों की उंगलियों को अंदर की ओर खींचो, खींचो खींचो खींचो. होल्ड. कुछ नहीं करना है और बस ऐसे ही बैठे रहना है. और अपने आप you will notice that the first thing it will impact is your lips. Slowly you will start smiling more, and then you will smile a little bit more, and you will show your teeth. And keep holding, keep holding. Hold, 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 hold. Push your hands out, pull your fingers in. कुछ तो हो रहा है. And slowly bring it down, relax. You can do a little drama, it's okay. तो ये हमारा upper body पूरा free कर देता है. I'm sure you must be feeling a lot of relief if you had some stiffness in the upper back. और दिन भर बैठ के जितना stiffness होता है वो ऐसे थोड़े से movement से ease out हो जाता है. Now, let's start to do our asana sequence. In that, we will also focus on our middle back a little bit more. So first, let's go left to right. And go forward and back. And let's come on our fours. For the middle and the lower spine, we'll do the Marjari Asana or the cat-cow stretch. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. In. ताकत लगानी पड़ेगी थोड़ी सी. ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ी सी. In. Out. You can do this sitting. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Two more. And one last time. Relax. Lie down on your stomach. And come up in Ardha Bhujangasana. Ardha Bhujangasana में आ जाओ. What you need to do is lift your one leg up and then the other leg up. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the next one that we do is lift up. हाथ को जितना दूर रखोगे उतना आसान होगा. हाथ को जितना पास रखोगे उतना टफ होगा. तो you have a choice where to keep your hands. The farther you keep, the easier it becomes. If you want to, you can keep it really close. थोड़ा और पास में. और perfect. And then you lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, 10 more times. Let's do it a little more better. If this was too easy for you, bring your hands a little more closer. 1, 2, 3. If it was too easy for you, you can come up all the way like this and then go down. And then you come up and you go down. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो आप. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let go. Relax your whole body. Extend your hands 90 degrees to the body. And take your right leg to the left side. If that's possible for you. And take your left leg to the right side. अगर ये टफ लगे तो सिर्फ पैरों को ऊपर उठाएंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Stretch your hands in the front. Lift your left leg and right hand. Stay there. Bring it down. Other side. Bring it down. Left leg and right hand again. Let go. Right leg and left hand. Bring it down. Relax. Bend your legs. Hold your ankle if that's possible. Slowly come up in Dhanurasana. You can do this simple alternative if you're not able to hold. The tighter your grip of the hand, better the stretch. And slowly bring it down. Relax. Makarasan, relax your whole body. Slowly turn around. Lie down on your back. पीठ के बल लेट जाओ. Bring your legs up in Ardha Halasan. धीरे से दोनों पैरों को ऊपर ले आओ. You can keep your knees straight or you can keep your knees bent. Slowly bring it down. Relax. धीरे धीरे नीचे लेकर आओ. Pavan Muktasan. Bring both your knees closer to the chest. And you can massage your back by moving your body left to right. Relax. Prepare for Setu Bandhasan. Heels close to the body. Knees pointing to the ceiling. Lift your waist up. कमर को ऊपर उठाए. If possible, apply your Kegels hold here. Pull the muscles around your anal region in. गुदद्वार के आसपास के जितने मांसपेशियां हैं उनको अंदर की ओर खींचो. Squeeze your glutes against each other. Push your glutes up towards the ceiling. Keep your core pulled in. Hold the posture. Very slowly bring it down. Relax. Left ankle on the right thigh. Supta Kapotasana, inverted pigeon. Pull the right knee closer to the chest. बायां पैर दाहिनी जंघा पर और दाहिने घुटने को छाती के पास लेकर आए. Relax. The other side. Pull. And let go. Extend your hands 90 degrees to the body. Join both your feet together, both your knees together. And keep moving your knees left to right. दोनों घुटनों को लेफ्ट तरफ ड्रॉप करो, फिर राइट. कंटिन्यू. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And keep your legs straight. Relax your whole body. Shavasana. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out and relax completely. Mentally chant 3 times. I am healthy. I am happy. 3 बार मन में संकल्प ले. मैं स्वस्थ हूँ. मैं खुश हूँ. Slowly turn to your right. And then sit up. हाथों का सहारे लेके उठ के बैठ जाए. Take your time to sit up. आराम से बैठे. Now, once you're done, stretch your hands out. And you just start moving left to right. और धीरे धीरे हाथों को ऊपर ले जाओ. Take your hands slowly up. Come on, keep moving. Keep moving left to right. Hands are parallel to the floor. Your hand positions actually help you to align the different region of the spine. Very good for spinal alignment, balancing of the left and the right side. Hands going up. All the way up. And slowly start to go down. And bring it down. One more time, we'll go up again. It's a control movement. झटका नहीं देना है. You are controlling the movement completely, all the way up. And then you slowly start going down. And relax. Stretch your hands up and push your spine up. Parvatasana. Lengthen your spine. पेट को अंदर खींचो, छाती को अंदर खींचो. हाथों को और थोड़ा ऊपर लेकर जाओ. Keep pushing. And yoga mudra. Make a fist of your right hand. Hold your right wrist with your left. Go forward and down. Relax. धीरे से ऊपर आ जाओ. So let's continue with your Nadi Shodhan practice. Left hand in Chin Mudra. Right hand, index and middle finger between your eyebrows. Thumb on the right nostril, ring finger on the left. Breathe in. Close your right, breathe out left. Breathe in left. Close your left, breathe out right. Breathe in right. Close your right, breathe out left. Continue on your own, and thank you so much for joining us and helping us spread the word. We'll see you tomorrow.